If you find yourself locked out of your Kraken account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process clearly and efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Kraken login page. Go to the official Kraken website and navigate to the login page. Look for the Forgot Your Password link, which is typically located below the password entry field. Step 2. Enter your email address. Click on the Forgot Your Password link and enter the email address associated with your Kraken account. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure you receive the reset email. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Kraken. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click the link in the email to proceed with resetting your password. Step 4. Create a new password. Follow the link provided in the email, which will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets Kraken security requirements and confirm it by entering it again. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the Kraken login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created to log into your account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Kraken's customer support for further assistance. Following these steps should help you regain access to your account smoothly.